Got it up to temp. Let's pop the hood. One of my least favorite things about this, and I'll show you why I put it on ramps in a minute, but because it's on ramps, it's a pain to reach the oil fill tube. Notice how my arm has to bend to get there. I can't do it with a standard funnel. Well, you can, it's just a pain. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that off. Hopefully without dropping it into the engine bay. Good. Alright, so the reason I put it on ramps, there's not a lot of room here. You see the engine oil, nicely labeled. There's your bolt. Drains right on the subframe, of course, and possibly on the exhaust, like every other car I own. And then right there, you got your oil filter. Now you can get to it without putting it on ramps, but it makes it easier to get it off. Makes it harder to fill it up, but we'll overcome. Got the damn camera. Alright, oil's out. Hand thread the drain plug bolt back in. Alright, swipe that up. Hand tighten back in. There you go. Let's get the oil filter off. Alright, oil filter. Little tiny guy. There we go. Now, this should be fun. And there we go. Alright, as before, filter out. Seal nice. Pre-lubed. Alright. There's where the filter goes. Here's the filter. Get it started. There we go. So it's basically hand tight, according to the stickers. Hand tight, it's 3/4 turn. I can't find my bendy funnel, so this is going to be fun. So I've got a 2-funnel stack going on here. No idea how this is going to work out. Buy a bendy funnel, buy the right tool. Before I start pouring, it's 5 quarts. I need 4.5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need basically down to there. So let's get pouring. Perfect. Alright. Alright, start it up. Alright, before we back her down, let's check for fresh oil drips. Got nothing there. Nothing there. We're good. Back her down. Alright, let's check the oil. Good. Pro tip: changing the oil in your wife's car, keep it clean. Put a towel down, keep the seat nice, and clean it out a little bit.